the fingerprint pattern when this pattern is imprinted on a surface. So suppose we are touching here, so we can see that our skin is carrying sweat. So whenever we are pressing our hand against the surface, so some sweat content will be deposited as per the shape of our fingerprint pattern. So this pattern we can consider for the person identification. So why these fingerprints are utilized for person identification? There are three properties of fingerprint. First one is unique. You could see that the fingerprints are unique. No two person can have same fingerprint pattern because that sample size is more than the total number of population in the world. So that we can see that fingerprint pattern is unique. And we can see that the fingerprint pattern is actually formed whenever we are inside the womb of our mother. So that will remain unchanged after our death also. Till the decay of our skin, the fingerprint pattern will remain the same. So that this fingerprint pattern can be utilized for the person identification. And the third and attractive property is that a systematic classification is also possible with the fingerprints. So we can classify fingerprints easily. So there are only three main patterns only. Moreover, based on the Henry's classification, the human fingerprints can be classified into 1024 categories. So whenever we are analyzing our 10 prints, we can see that. So here a 10 print sample CAD is here. So we can collect our prints here. So based on the fingerprints, we can calculate the fingerprint value based on the Henry's classification. So based on that classification, all fingerprints will be one of the 1024 categories of fingerprints only. So that is why it is easy to process even without computers also. But nowadays we have softwares for the proper collection and proper comparison of fingerprints. So these are the three basic patterns of fingerprints. Whenever we are looking at our fingertips, we can see loop pattern, word pattern and arch pattern. So mostly 60% of the population contain loop pattern and nearly 30% to 35% contain the arch pattern. The word pattern is very less with respect to human fingerprint pattern. So that is also, these pattern meters are also considering with respect to fingerprint studies. So there are many evidences we can see: physical evidence, chemical evidence, biological evidence. We have digital evidence also nowadays: CDs, pen drives, our mobile phones. Our mobile phones also carrying our fingerprints, sometimes our earprints also. So anything can have the presence of any type of physical evidence. So anything can be a physical evidence also according to the nature of event. So forensic science is actually helping to solve these criminal issues that are in front of the court using the scientific principles. So we can say that the forensic science provides the solutions to legal problems using the scientific principles. So scientific analysis of physical evidences are important in order to unveil the truth behind all the events. So we have to use our scientific knowledge and logic to analyze the reality. So that is the basic aspect of forensic science. So these are some of the references we used for today's presentation. So thank you for the opportunity for this science day program. Once again, science day wishes to all the teachers and students gathered. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable knowledge. Every great event must come to an end. We now invite our coordinator and the soul to the program, Dr. Anna Nina George, for the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. It is really a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks on such an auspicious day, National Science Day 2025. Our chief guest, Dr. Mohan Sarin, guest of honor, Mr. Ashok Nagvekar, Mr. Jain Mandurkar, Mr. Prakash Shikelkar, Mr. Deepak Gaonkar, Dr. Biju, Dr. Pramila, Dr. Georgian Matthew, BEd teaching staff, MEd staff, librarian, computer lab staff, office staff, students of National Forensic Science College, students of Central University, Tamil Nadu, students of first year and second year BEd, and the non-teaching staff. I am privileged that I can propose a vote of thanks on National Science Day 2025. It may look like yet another day, but it's a special day because we, along with the entire nation, we are paying homage to our Indian scientists and being grateful for their immense contribution. We offer our sacrifice of thanks to all the scientists of the past and present in India, working in various research organizations all over India, who have given their lives to make our life better and expand our knowledge horizons. It's also time when we exhibit all that we have done in our college in science method and during our siphon trips to different schools in Goa. Special thanks goes to our chief guest, Dr. Mohan Serin, for being here. Sir, you have been a blessing for us. You have given us such amazing information about forensic science that we are intrigued to know more. Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and encouragement that you gave to all of us, because we have been working on this program for more than a month. Science Day and Siphon program has kept us on our toes from January. Thank you, sir, for appreciating our students for their hard work. Please give a big roaring applause to our chief guest, Dr. Mohan Serin. Vice Chairman of GBM's Working Committee, Ashok Nagvekar, deserves a very special thanks for not only for being with us today, but for being the constant source of motivation and guidance. Thank you, sir, for your trust in me and also for your continuing support for the Siphon program. Thank you, sir, for your words of appreciation and suggestions. Huge round of applause for Nagvekar. We are in fact also highly grateful for the Secretary of GBM's Working Committee, Ajay Mandurkar, sir, for making time for being with us. Thank you very much, sir. We are also grateful to Deepak Gaonkar, sir, and Prakash Shikelkar, sir, for sparing their time, for being with us and being a blessing with their presence. I think we should give them a big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause. Dr. Biju deserves special thanks for being with us today and having come all the way from Central University, Tamil Nadu. Thank you for choosing our college for the educational tour. Thank you, sir, for your informative words, appreciation and motivation, and thank you for the invitation to Central University, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Pramila, who accompanies with Dr. Biju and their full team of 37 students, I think Madam also deserves great thanks for not only being with us, but for sharing her words, her ideas, and appreciating our efforts. I think we should give a big round of applause for Dr. Biju and Dr. Pramila. Our principal, sir, Dr. Jojan Matthew, has been always our great source of support and encouragement. Sir, the Siphon team and the entire science group offers you sincere thanks for being our constant source of motivation, irrespective of the situation. Special thanks for visiting us on our preparation sessions and for the Siphon visit at Utkarsh. I think we should give a thundering applause to Principal, sir. I think thundering, all the teaching staff needs a very special thanks for being a constant state of enthusiasm. In spite of various hurdles and pains, your enthusiasm and encouragement has been a great motivation for the science team. Thank you for motivating your students to participate. Thanks for your hearty participation in this program and making it successful. Big round of applause for our teaching staff. A program of this magnitude cannot be done by few people, nor in a short period of time. We have to thank all who have relentlessly worked for this. Let us thank first our students from National Forensic Science College for their demonstrations. Can we have the students over here, the National Forensic Science College students, can we have them here? Yeah. As they come, please give a huge round of applause for them. Yeah. big round of applause. They did a good demonstration. Special thanks to all the students of the languages for the beautiful poems, skits. Can we have the students who gave the poem and that mind-boggling skit of that Sasuma and all that? Please, can we have them here? Skits and poem. Let everybody see who are they. Some poems were also there. I assure those poets. Can we have the poets? Let's give a big round of applause for that. Followed by geography. Those who did the geography models, can we have them here, please? Geography models. Those who did, please come. This is the skit and the poems. Geography models, whoever has done, please come. Who have done the geography models? Nobody has done geography 2 models. Please come. Please give a big round of applause for these students. Geography, please come along with the skit. Yes. So these are all the students, Dr. Biju and Dr. Mohan. My effort was to integrate all the subjects with science. In that effort, I have done all this, so that it doesn't remain as an isolated subject, but to integrate it with other subjects, to provoke other teachers to think about science within their subject. So in that effort, I have done this. So that's why all these students are participating. So we had poems, skits, geography models, and yes, let's give a big hand for them. And then we have history. The entire history. Can we have the history students who gave a beautiful parade? We had a nice parade. We had. So can we have the history students? History students gave us a very good parade. Can we have that? Yeah, please come. Please give a big round of applause for the history students. Yes. So my idea was to connect history with science. So the evolution of technology, that's the history of science. So that's why how history gets connected to science, that was my idea. I think we should give a big round of applause for all these students. All these attempts were made for the interdisciplinary approach to these subjects. Big thank you to all the students. Shattering applause for all the students. Please give a big shattering applause. I know they are behind the camera, but still you have to be here now. Yeah. Photographers and videographers, a special word of appreciation for being available on this, because they are very busy. So they are very, that they are available for us. A special thank you. More are there. I think 2 more should be there. 2 more are there. Huge round of applause for our photographers and videographers. Thank you very much. Because when you get your beautiful photos, we should remember somebody is there behind the camera picking up your photos. So that's why we should thank them. The decoration and materials team, please come. Decoration materials team, our students, science students who are working with materials and decoration, have been working behind the scenes relentlessly. Can we have them in front? All the materials and material groups. Decoration group, material group, please come. Yes, please come. Digital invites, brochure, hologram, backdrop, welcome poster, Rangoli. Please, we can have the only 3 of them. They did the whole thing. Decoration, materials team. Nobody is there? Material team. We have a huge team because it is not possible without a huge team. Where are they? Yes, they are coming now. So digital invites, brochures, all that we have seen. Rangoli and the inauguration, the scientific inauguration, they are scientific inauguration. So there is a lot of work done behind this. So that's why we want to thank. It's a huge group. All are not here, but I think we should thank all of them. The leaders of the Science Day and Siphon program, can I have the leaders, please? 2 leaders, please. Can I have them? Leaders, Prerna and Amina. Please come. Let's give a big round of applause for all the responsibility. Thank you for being patient, coordinating, making this day possible. Many thanks to you. A thundering applause to both of them. They are the great leaders. Can we have the compeers for the day? Thanks to both the compeers of the day, please come. And the presenters, those who make the presentations, please come. In first, Zaura and Pati, please come. Yes? Yes, these are the presenters. Can we have a big round of applause for them? Yes. Next we have the green exhibition. Green exhibition group, please come fast. Physics demonstration, green exhibition, chemistry demonstration, can we have? So let them see who have done all this. Mind-boggling exhibition that we had. Thanks for the days of relentless efforts to demonstrate extraordinary science wonders. We are actually speechless from the work that you have done. I think a tsunami kind of an applause we will give. Tsunami for the exhibition makers. Certainly thanks to our timekeeper. Timekeeper, please you can join with them. They have made this program grand, so a huge round of applause for all of them. Now I would like to have all the boys over here because they have done such work that there is no words for them. So I call them all the boys. All the boys, there are n number of work that they have done. So all the boys led by Mahindra. Mahindra Das, please lead them. They have done all sorts of work. So please, all the boys, please give a big round of applause for my boys. Because they have done the arrangement of the exhibition, the classrooms, to create the proxy. See the boys, see how they are doing slowly. Yes, all the Hamali work that they did. Potted plant group, please join them. Potted plants, please join. Potted plants. Let me inform the dignitaries that the potted plants that we have given you, that were made by our students, they have planted it, and we have taken an extra initiative to avoid plastics and to avoid ready-made flowers from anywhere. So these were an effort to help save environment. So big round of applause for the potted plant group and the boys group. Thank you very much. Welcome group. Welcome song group. Welcome song, if you are there, please come. Thank you very much. Let's give a roaring applause for that welcome, melodious welcome song. Please. Yes, let's give a big round of applause for the melodious welcome song. Yes. Thank you very much. It goes without saying that the office staff and the non-teaching staff definitely deserves a huge thanks for helping us in every step. Especially thank you for your enthusiastic participation and appreciation. Thank you very much for your constant support and encouragement. At the end, I would like to thank one person. Deserves a mega thanks for the devotion, honor, respect and dedication and unwavering responsibility to ensure not only the Science Day but the SciFund program goes on smooth and successful. It is none other than Lycidin. Lycidin, can you come forward? Please come forward, Lycidin, please stand. The special thing about Lycidin is she doesn't belong to science methods. She is not from science, she is not from maths, but everybody feels that she is from science and maths. That's the devotion, and for that I think she deserves a huge round of applause. I congratulate her and I thank her for her relentless dedication, and she doesn't want to be known. That kind of an approach what she had, for that I thank her. It is for months together she has been working, so I think she deserves a big hand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. As we know, it's ma'am's birthday today. I request everyone to stand up and sing her birthday song. Ma'am, please come in front.
Sagar, Modi Adamon.
dignitaries to come in front with ma'am. I also request our professors and non-teaching staff to come in front.